Hi, I'm Damon. What I'm going to show you today is this rare, beautiful 1989 Dodge 3/4 ton dually diesel. I figured a walk around be better than pictures, so here we go. Alright, as you can see, this truck is a flatbed. It's actually a dump bed that the cylinder's been removed. Right there you can see the arm that comes up and holds the bed. You can see a pivot back there. And there's a guide. It looks like it's pretty heavy duty construction. That tie right there, don't worry about that. That's holding up the gas tank. We'll get to that. So, the rack is in good shape, but the flatbed, while definitely sturdy, it's pretty pitted. Right now there's a lot of crap we had to storm. Pretty pitted. There's a couple little holes in it. Not even hole really. Just a crack, I guess. Actually a seam. It's a seam. Most of it's welded. Some of it isn't. In the back here we have what I assume is a charging port for hooking up to other cars to jump start them. Trailer hitch, the lights all work. Can't vouch for the trailer, pigtail, but it appears to have two of them. Some big cat mud flaps. This truck is a dually. Let's get some pretty beefy helper springs. I guess that's the 1-ton business. But the frame is in good shape. I mean, it was a New York truck, so you get what you get, I guess. Here we have a huge rear end. Shocks. The tires, well, tires are a little questionable. They're good, I guess. They're through inspection at any rate. The exhaust system is pretty much, well, pieced together. Not the most impressive exhaust. I think there's some holes in it, and it drones so bad that you can't even think when you're inside. Now I'll be taking the drive shafts, the transfer case, the transmission, the clutch, the pedals, pretty much everything for my transmission swap. However, right over here on this truck, we have all those parts that can just go with the truck. Anyway, some rot, serious rot. Doors are pretty fooked. Pardon my language. I don't even know what language that was. It's got these big mirrors on it. And a visor. And the glass is in good shape. Windshield wipers work. Front fenders. Questionable. Something interesting. It's got automatic hubs, which work. Four-wheel drive light actually works. You know, this truck has 150,000 miles on it, and I think it was owned and fleet maintained for a while. I'm assuming, it's got a suspension stabilizer, a steering stabilizer, plow mount, grill's in good shape. Well colored, but pretty much same door scenario. Not actually as bad on this side. Now, inside, got good glass, manual handles, interesting speaker. The floor here, pretty much gone. Yeah, there's some issues there. The floor, taking the pedals, but again, automatic ones. bench seat with the cover, some rips in it. Four-wheel drive indicator works, boost gauge, old style gauge cluster. It only goes to 99,000, so it rolled over. I do have a title at that switch. I assume these switches are for the plow. And actually, this car is inspected in New York through June. Alright. Here we have the engine compartment. It's non-intercooled. Some grunge here and there. You can see where some more rot in that fender over there. Actually, it looks like it just came undone. Probably due to rot. But everything works. Let me fire it up. First time it's been started in, I don't know, a week. Wish me luck. So as you can see, it starts and runs like a top. I mean, it's pretty warm right now, but still warm outside, that is. So that's pretty much it. Runs like a top. It really moves. Any questions? Hit me up. One other thing. My other truck over here, the blue guy, has an automatic setup, four-wheel drive. The previous owner used AMSOIL in the transfer case, and four-wheel drive works fantastic. The drive lines, all that stuff, everything's been well maintained on that truck too. Can go with this truck, the pieces that I'm swapping out, tit for tat, I suppose. And the only problem is the 518 shattered the tail housing. So I don't know what the condition is. Maybe a new video? I don't know. Anyway, it's a thought.